Hey there. This is Alok from Pixel Paint Studio. Today we will learn how to create bill book in MS Word. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Right-click on the mouse, go to New, select Microsoft Word document. Rename it, as you desired. For now I'm renaming this to Bill. Now, open it by right-click, click on Open. A blank Word document appear on the display screen. To make a bill book, we need to adjust paper size and margin. Go to Layout. In the Page Layout group, click on Size down arrow. Select A5. Click on Margins drop arrow and select Narrow. Go to Insert. In the Table group, click on Table down arrow. Select Draw Table. After selecting it, your mouse cursor changes into pen. Hold and drag to create basic tables as I creates like this. Type the texts like cash/credit bill, company name, address, phone, etc. After enter all your texts, it's time to formatting. Adjust font size, weight as per your requirement. Now it's time to add logo. Go to Insert, Pictures and select your logo. For example, here I'm using icons. Resize it according to your need. Add a background. Go to Insert, Shapes. Click on Rectangle. Change color by go to Shape Format and choose your fill color. Under the Arrange group, select Send Backward drop arrow. And choose Behind the Text. Go to Table Design. Select your black border and paint on all the sides. Just a little bit of adjusting, your bill is ready to print. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give a like and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell, so that you don't miss any other tips, tricks or tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.